Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Adobe Illustrator CC, class number 13. So in this class, I will going to show you how to create a business card. After I see you how to design a web page, how to design a web any section. So now get started. First, I need take a new documents, which is you can get from this option. New document. First we give a name, business card, and the next is artboard. If you make both side of card, then you take a two artboard. Okay, now today I design a one side of business card, that's why I take a one artboard. And the next option is business card size. The business card size is very important. Look, units. So units here you see some several options. This is inch and this is pixel. So two options were used widely, and the next is size, width and height. With business card width also 3.5 inch and height it must be 2 inch. Okay, and if you want to it's all those zero, then you can do it, but business card is should be used 0.1 to 5 inch is the blade area. Why we are take a blade area? Okay, that's great. When this business card you processing a print, then the business card is print out, then after they are cutting round of business card, that time you need this blade area. Okay, and this also stay be default. Then okay, look, I got a business card artboard. Now I take and now you go to object and then path from offset path. Okay, you need you getting from a lot of option. Here is a meter or round or bevel. I'm just take a meter, the four side. Look, okay, or you can round. Previous you see this is the round. Okay, and you can bevel. This is a bevel. Okay, now I take it meter. Okay, then okay, I make a design with a black area inside. Outside is for just cutting. So this artboard we should make a lock. So object from the lock, the selection lock. Okay, so now let's try, but it's not move. Okay, and this is a part. Now we make a design on this part. A design. Okay, and the next design by the pen tool. Just wait. Change a color. And it's I need to on this. Okay, change a color, the color. Now I need to cut this object out of area, because this object is not for necessary to stay out of area. So what should I do now? Which section I locked, then it's I need to unlock. Okay, and I select all shape and I choose a shape builder tool. Okay, and I delete all unnecessary shape. Okay, look, I have created this design very easily, and this part I need to change a color. So this is a gradient tool. I choose that and just maintain a gradient. So card design is ready. Now I just include information. So before I open another tab, which is just I doing a copy and paste because I haven't much more time. That's why I copy this. Just select all this and select all this, copy, is here. Okay, just this option is here, it's to better, and this color is also changed. It's here. Okay, but it's not make a center. Okay, I maintain everything, just see, and this option also. I select all this and change a color. Okay. Okay everybody, you see this business card is ready. Notice that this logo and this text, they haven't not alignment together. So we need to set a alignment. Select this one and this one. Look, above bar, the option bar is here. Just make a alignment. Okay. And this logo also we need to align. We need to alignment. This one. Okay. And this one also, logo and name. So we need alignment to artboard because I don't know this logo is stay middle position or not from this alignment to artboard. So we select a alignment to artboard. Okay, and then this is a alignment to horizontal center. Okay, look, now this logo is perfect to alignment. Okay. So this business card is so look everybody, this business card is completed. So this video is enough for today. If you have any question or what kind of video you want after next video, you comment me. I will try to make a best video for you. Have a good day. See you the next video.